One of the things that really inspires me about working at ABB is getting to see the incredible work being done by our state and local partners who are organizing on the ground for policies that will improve their communities.
I am inspired by our clients who stand up to abusive employers to make sure that what happened to them won't happen to anyone else.
The advocates from around the country who are incredibly passionate about these issues, I'm able to help translate their work onto the federal level.
It takes a lot of courage to come forward and say, this was wrong and I'm going to do something about it.
I think that real sort of 360 perspective. How does this work on paper, but how is it actually playing out for people, and is it doing what we need it to do, really sets us apart.
I'm so proud that A Better Balance works to ensure that the paid leave laws that we draft and help to pass are universal, equitable, LGBTQ inclusive, and recognize all families.
I am most proud of ABB's impact litigation. The policies that we've changed through that litigation have impacted the lives of countless workers across the country.
One of my first clients was a woman who was pregnant, and she requested reasonable accommodations of her employer, and they refused. And she told us that she had had a miscarriage. We fought tooth and nail for her, and she fought with us, and she won. She and her coworkers, they changed the policy for the thousands of employees who were just like her so that it wouldn't happen again.
We always say it's not just important to have strong employment laws, but to make sure that people know about them and have the means to enforce them.
My desire to achieve economic justice for women is what motivates me.
We not only change societal discourse, we change laws, and we change the trajectory of how working families are going to be treated in this country.
In this crisis, I think what really motivates me to keep fighting for the protections that workers need is that when the pandemic struck, way too many workers didn't have the legal rights they needed. We can't wait around to respond. Next time a pandemic, a crisis, an unprecedented experience happens, we need to get ready today.
And this ongoing care crisis has made it clearer than ever that we need supportive workplace policies to ensure that women and minorities aren't left out of today's economy.
We have to lift up the voices of low-wage working women of color. There's no other way to dismantle the systemic racism and sexism that has for so long undervalued the importance of caregiving.
To have access to paid family leave, to bond with their children, or to care for a sick loved one, we are chipping away at sex stereotypes that say that caregiving is women's work.
When we're thinking about the care crisis, we need to be thinking about solutions. Who better to do that work but this team of passionate advocates who are and have been fighting for change for 15 years.
And I can't wait to see what A Better Balance has in store in the years ahead.